In this short video, I'm going to give you an overview of how to use three of the most common generative AI tools out there: ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot. Now, with generative AI, essentially what you do is you have right here a chat box where you're going to give it a prompt. Now, a prompt essentially is sort of like a Google search, but you're talking to the model using natural language. So, for example, if I do this, I say, hey, what is artificial intelligence? And list some everyday uses of artificial intelligence in business and society. I'm going to click right here. And what ChatGPT is going to do is it's going to break things down for me and give me some everyday uses of generative AI in business and society. And as you can see, there are quite a few. Now, using this, I can say, yeah, that was a good response. No, that was a really bad response. I can even copy it. So if I wanted to copy it and paste it into a Word document, a Google Doc, I could essentially do that. I can even have it read aloud to me. And there's even this feature where you can have almost like a canvas. It's sort of like a Word document, a notepad, a way of editing some things and creating something. So that's actually really neat too. Now, essentially, you have these different models that you can use with ChatGPT, and the most current version, as of May of 2025, is ChatGPT 4.0. However, there are other versions. So, generally, the most recent version, the most powerful version, is usually paid, and you usually have access in the free version to maybe the uh, model behind. So just keep that in mind when you're working with this. Now, also, you're going to have right here on this sidebar a history of all of your different conversations, and you could even share those conversations or archive them, even rename them right here. Gemini, this is Google's tool, and it's essentially the same type of tool, but you're going to notice a little bit of a difference. I'm going to put that same exact question in here as a prompt, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. Now, what Gemini has done is they've actually added this ability to work with a canvas essentially as well. And as you can see, it looks a little different. It's actually searching the internet. And then you can see right here that there are just different responses. It's in a different type of format. So keep that in mind that not every tool is created equally and it will do different things. The one thing I do like about this tool is if you like using, say, Google Docs, you can export this to either an email, even a Google Doc itself by simply clicking on this. And it also works very similar to OpenAI's ChatGPT model, and essentially right here where you have all of your different conversations. So there are different features and tools that you can explore, but that's essentially a basic. Now, Copilot is Microsoft's version, and you can see that Copilot, even Gemini are starting to be built into the products that you might use, like Word documents and spreadsheets and PowerPoints, etc. Once again, this is a very, very basic overview of these tools. However, what you can simply do as well, you can put in what is artificial intelligence and list some everyday uses. And watch how Copilot does this. It actually breaks things down. It doesn't go as extensive as, say, ChatGPT, but it does break things down a little bit more succinct. And many different tools right down here, they're going to actually give you potential prompts or potential questions that you could ask to go a little bit more in depth. And also, you have this canvas that you can work with right here. You could copy content. And even right here, when you copy this, it'll actually copy it and you can paste it into a Word document. So that's essentially the three different models. There are so many other generative AI models out there. Just really realize that you have to choose the tool that's best for the task, that's best for you. So it's not uncommon to use multiple tools, but you can use all three of these different tools interchangeably to get exactly what you want.